Hello, everyone. Welcome to the No FOMO Charts weekly watch list video for this week. It's May 28, 2024. Stocks releasing earnings: Advance Auto Parts, Salesforce, Dollar General, Best Buy, Dell, Costco, Gap, Marvell, Nordstrom, Ulta Beauty, just to name a few. Economic data releases coming out this week: consumer confidence, preliminary GDP, which is important for the interest rate cut decisions this year, unemployment claims as well, pending home sales, and core PCE price index coming out this Friday, which is one of the most important inflation data for this year. Stocks and crypto volatility continues, testing all-time high prices. News and events is going to continue to affect the volatility because we're at the all-time high price. Elon Musk plans to use NVIDIA chips for the new XAI chatbot supercomputer, which affected NVIDIA price today. And over the weekend, Mt. Gox transferred $9 billion of Bitcoin between their wallets to an unknown wallet, which caused volatility in the crypto market. Ethereum ETFs were approved last week, but they are not approved yet for trading and listing, which we are all watching and waiting for. So beware of that. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, leave a nice like or comment, and I'll see you in the next one.